Using scrap wood for weekend woodworking projects presents a plethora of advantages that can inspire both novice and experienced woodworkers. Often overlooked, scrap wood can be a treasure trove of materials just waiting to be transformed into something beautiful or functional. This resourcefulness not only enhances creativity, but also leads to numerous practical and economic benefits. Embracing scrap wood in woodworking projects can foster a sustainable mindset, offering a range of opportunities to explore. One of the most compelling advantages of using scrap wood is the cost-effectiveness it provides. New lumber can be expensive, especially for those undertaking larger projects. By utilizing leftover pieces from previous projects, woodworkers can significantly reduce their material costs. This economical approach allows individuals to experiment with new techniques and designs without the financial burden of purchasing new wood. For beginners, this can be particularly appealing, providing a way to practice and hone skills without the worry of wasting expensive materials. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of scrap wood project ideas you can make on weekends. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The environmental benefits of using scrap wood cannot be overstated. In an age where sustainability is becoming increasingly important, repurposing scrap wood helps reduce waste. Instead of sending leftover wood to landfills, artisans can give it a second life. This practice not only conserves resources, but also minimizes the carbon footprint associated with manufacturing new lumber. By embracing scrap wood, woodworkers contribute to a more sustainable future, aligning their hobbies with eco-friendly practices. Working with scrap wood also encourages creativity and innovation. The unique characteristics of each piece can inspire new ideas and designs. Artisans may discover interesting grain patterns, colors, and textures that can influence the direction of their projects. This unpredictability can lead to unexpected and delightful outcomes. Instead of relying on standardized materials, woodworkers are often prompted to think outside the box, finding innovative solutions to integrate different pieces into cohesive designs. This creative freedom can lead to the development of unique, one-of-a-kind items that reflect the individual's personality and style. Additionally, using scrap wood allows for the exploration of various techniques and methods without the fear of making mistakes. Since the material is already considered waste, the pressure to create a perfect piece is significantly diminished. This freedom can encourage woodworkers to experiment with new tools, joinery techniques, or finishes that they might not otherwise try if they were working with more expensive wood. The ability to practice skills in a low-stakes environment can lead to improved craftsmanship and a greater sense of confidence in their abilities. Scrap wood projects can also serve as excellent opportunities for learning and skill development. For beginners, tackling simple projects with scrap wood can be a great introduction to woodworking. They can learn how to measure, cut, and join pieces without the intimidation that often comes with larger, more complex projects. As they gain experience, they can gradually take on more challenging designs, building their skills progressively. This incremental approach fosters a sense of accomplishment and encourages continued engagement in woodworking. Moreover, woodworking with scrap wood can lead to a sense of community and collaboration. Many woodworkers enjoy sharing their projects, tips, and techniques with others. By showcasing how they've used scrap wood creatively, they can inspire fellow artisans to do the same. This spirit of sharing can lead to collaborative projects, workshops, or local meetups where individuals come together to learn from one another. The exchange of ideas and experiences can enrich the woodworking community, fostering a supportive environment for all skill levels. Another benefit of using scrap wood is the ability to create functional items for the home or garden. Many projects can be completed quickly, allowing woodworkers to provide practical solutions to everyday needs. For instance, scrap wood can be transformed into storage solutions, garden planters, or decorative pieces, all of which can enhance the functionality of a living space. By utilizing materials that may otherwise go to waste, woodworkers can contribute to a more organized and aesthetically pleasing home environment. Additionally, scrap wood can be a fantastic medium for creating personalized gifts. Handmade items carry a special significance, and using scrap wood adds a unique touch to any gift. Whether it's a custom sign, a picture frame, or a small decorative item, the thought and effort put into crafting a gift from scrap wood can make it even more meaningful. This personal connection can strengthen relationships and create cherished memories for both the giver and the recipient. The versatility of scrap wood is another significant advantage. Depending on the type and size of the scraps, woodworkers can create a wide range of projects. From small items like coasters or keychains to larger constructs like shelves or decorative wall art, the possibilities are vast. This versatility allows artisans to adapt their projects to fit their interests, skills, and available materials. As a result, woodworkers can continuously challenge themselves and explore different facets of their craft. Using scrap wood can also foster a sense of achievement and pride. Completing a project from materials that would otherwise be discarded can be incredibly rewarding. This sense of accomplishment is amplified when individuals see how their skills have developed through these projects. The transformation of scrap wood into something useful or beautiful can provide a tangible representation of their hard work and creativity. This feeling of pride can motivate woodworkers to continue pursuing their craft and experimenting with new ideas. Incorporating scrap wood into weekend projects can also enhance problem-solving skills. Working with leftover pieces often requires creative solutions to fit various shapes and sizes together. This aspect of woodworking challenges artisans to think critically and develop strategies for overcoming obstacles. Whether it's figuring out how to join two mismatched pieces or designing a project that maximizes the use of available scraps, these problem-solving experiences contribute to overall skill development and confidence in woodworking. The accessibility of scrap wood is another compelling advantage. Many individuals have leftover wood from previous projects, making it readily available for new endeavors. Additionally, scrap wood can often be sourced inexpensively or even for free from local construction sites, lumberyards, or community workshops. This accessibility allows individuals to engage in woodworking without a significant financial investment, providing an entry point for those interested in exploring the craft. Using scrap wood also encourages mindfulness and intentionality in woodworking. Instead of mindlessly purchasing new materials, woodworkers are prompted to consider the resources they already possess. This approach fosters a deeper appreciation for the materials and the craft itself. It encourages individuals to think critically about their projects, leading to more thoughtful designs and executions. This mindfulness can extend beyond woodworking, influencing other areas of life and promoting a more sustainable lifestyle overall. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked scrap wood project ideas you can make on weekends. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.